Hi, you're probably watching this video because you are wondering how to use WUR Library Search. Or maybe you want to know more about the benefits of using WUR Library Search instead of another search engine such as Google Scholar. With WUR Library Search you can search through all the available printed and online collections of Wageningen University. The publications you find are all available for you as student. Use WUR Library Search to find an article or a book with a title that you already know, to find more on a specific topic or get some inspiration on a topic you're studying. So it's a super useful start of your literature research, and I will explain briefly how to use WUR Library Search. We start our search at the library's homepage. Let's say you are looking for the book Urban Agriculture in London by J. Petz. When you choose the option Urban Agriculture in London, you get a short list of results. The first one is the one you need. The record immediately shows whether WUR Library has it. Click the title and then Get It to check the availability. This book, for example, is available at Forum Stacks, and you can submit a copy or loan request for the book using this button. This book is only available in print, but many other books and their articles are available online. When we do a topic search on urban agriculture, you get much more results. You can filter the results by library, format, database, author, year, and so on. If a publication is online available, you can access it directly by using the button View Full Text. This is in a nutshell how WUR Library Search works. WUR Library Search can also be used when you are off campus, by logging in via My Library or by using the off-campus button. If you have any questions regarding WUR Library Search, or if you want to know more about other functionalities of WUR Library Search, please let us know. You can contact us by filling in the contact form at the website, by using the chat function at the website, or via Facebook.